to our client during our maintenance and repair work and avoid the loss of revenue from a shutoff? What if we could increase the safety by reducing the risk exposure to a minimum? What if we could save time and money, reducing the need for refueling our trailers to a fraction of the actual cost? What if we could move our gas trailers from point to point with a pickup truck with minimum requirements? We have worked relentlessly looking for answers to the critical questions and challenges faced by the gas utilities professionals. Listening to the companies seeking to improve their efficiency and reduce their risk exposure, we designed the CASCADIAN Pro. Outrider is the first company to design and manufacture a Cascade trailer system specifically for gas utility companies. Pipeline repair, pipeline maintenance, testing, emergencies, new construction. The CASCADIAN Pro allows utilities to do line maintenance without stopping service to its customers. Unlike other available products, our trailers were born from a comprehensive engineering design, one that far exceeds existing DOT regulations and has passed Finite Element Analysis (FEA) third-party inspection. We achieve superior safety, operational excellence, outstanding customer service while delivering exceptional value for your operation. We are dedicated to being the industry leader in mobile natural gas transportation for distribution and transmission companies. We want to help our customers be more efficient in the field by helping them save time, reduce costs, and improve safety. The CASCADIAN Pro is your best resource for a safe and continuous flow of energy.
Providing an exceptional customer experience is paramount at Outrider, which is why we continually strive to find new and better solutions.
In addition to our industry-leading trailers, at Outrider, we deliver unparalleled customer service.
We're committed to listening to our customers, being responsive to their needs, and providing solutions that generate results.
Outrider Gas Transports, championing gas flow for utilities.